Turn the key on. Hi there guys, and welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are liking that I'm putting out a little bit more. I mean, I know it's not to some of your tastes, but I'm still putting content out. As I'm doing it, I'm trying to film it, and the weather is starting to improve now, so I'm able to. As you've seen in the last video, I relocated my sub to the front of the van. It's not the best job or the prettiest job at all, but it manages to relocate it from under this seat to the front, which gives me more room under the seats now, which was the goal. I will be redoing that again at some point. Just, I'm happy with it as it is now. Still got my split charge relay to do, which I'll be that's another video, we'll get there in a bit. Today's video is the DRL'S. They turned up a little bit delayed because of this whole coronavirus, but they're here now. I do want to say I won't be able to show you the full install because the power is running off the back of the head unit, and it's a little bit tricky to get that head unit back out again to show you. But all I did was I got my handy dandy multimeter, and I was checking all the wires back there to see which was a switch live, because most people's vans, as you notice, when you turn the key off, the stereo goes off, and when you turn the key on, it comes back on again. So I thought it was probably one of the easiest ways of getting a switch live that I could think of at the time. So I pulled the head unit out, multimetered until I found the switch live and tapped into that, and then I ran the wires around down underneath the dash, and then just up there you might just be able to see a little bit of daylight just up there. In fact, you can even see the wire itself, and it goes up through that hole and comes out there just above where the battery is and where this filter housing thing is. There is a grommet to go there. I'm working here at the minute, so I've left it out, so that will be going back in. And then I ran the wire in all the way around, all the way down through here. In fact, you still see the wire, and it goes down through that hole just down there. I've got some little bit of rubber to go around the hole just to stop it from cutting through the wire, but it went through there, and then there they are, just there, just through there, and there they are. And then I've got my DRL'S. Here they are. I bought another kit because my other one was broke, but you get whatever DRL'S and put them where you want to put them. I put them in these little holes where it looks like fog lights should go, and then because the wiring's not very long, I added some extra wire, and it goes underneath the back of the bumper there, if you can see, all the way across the back of the bumper. And then there's the tails for that one. And then this one broke, so I've got my new ones. The pack does come with 2 DRL strips. Like I said, be careful because the wiring on the back of them does like to come off. It's not the strongest, so if you can do anything about that, do. I have found that just sticking the sticky over it does help it quite a lot. But it comes with 2 DRL'S, depends on what kit you get. It comes with 2 double-sided sticky pads, which you just stick onto the back. And then when you, wherever you want to put it, you just stick the other side. All you've got to do, well, all I did, was drill a little hole, just big enough for the wire to go through. Put the wire through, stick this to where you want it to go. In my case, it's, you can see where the old one was. And then you connect these wires and the wires that are off the other DRL together, so they're linked. Put spades on them, so obviously make sure the reds are together and the blacks are together, and connect them up to your live source. And then every time you turn the key on, the lights come on, and then every turn them off, the lights will go off. So I'm going to finish just sticking this last one on, and then I will show you them working. There's a very easy install. I mean, I only use speaker wire because these don't draw a lot of current, a lot of power, so it'll be more than sufficient. Like I said, these are £5.99, or no, £4.99 I think on eBay. I mean, you can get them in just that part of them, or you can get them just like an L shape or any shape you want whatsoever. So very easy install, make a very big difference. So I'm going to quickly put you on a time lapse while I fit this lot up, and then I will come back to you once it's done. So you've got your spades, so you want to put your negative to your negative, put your heat shrink over as best you can, and then same on this end, positive to positive, heat shrink over the top. Now technically when I turn this on, these lights should go on. Let's see, shall we? And there you go, easy as that. So as soon as you turn the key on, they come on. When you turn the key off, they go off. Turn the key off, they go off. Turn the key on. As you can see by this one, this is a little bit of white all the way around the outside. So I'm going to get a black marker, like I did with this one. This needs a little bit of a touch up, but you can see, oops, you can see it's all black around the outside and you can't see any of the white. So I'll get there with a black pen in a bit, but that is it. I'm going to obviously tidy up this wiring, make it look a little less like that, and tape it up and put it where it's got to be. But that is the install. That is how easy it is to fit DRLs to your van. Like I said, very inexpensive, make a very, very big difference. Hope that has been helpful. If you've got any questions, ask me in that comment section below. I think the next video is going to be wiring and what I want to do and all that sort of stuff. So I'm going to get gone now. I'm going to finish this wiring off and get a few more bits done. Thank you very much for watching. If you like your video, please give it a great big thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, go hit that subscribe button. Take it easy.